All right, we are on the record. We're going to do something we've never live streamed before. We're going to live stream a wedding ceremony. Most of you know the groom, Frank Metz, Deputy Metz, who spent a lot of time as a bailiff in this courtroom, and his bride, Patrizia Ferrantini. They've agreed to have this matter live streamed so their family remotely and at other places can watch this. Your friends in California are saying, congratulations, I'm leaving the live stream on. So, the live chat on. It's my privilege to be able to do this wedding ceremony. District judges in the state of Michigan are empowered to do weddings. And I've done, I don't know, more than 100. I haven't done any in a while. My nephews, my kids' friends, and others, but it's a special privilege to be able to do them. So I have before me Frank Klaus Metz and Patrizia Ferrantini. We got an international cast here. Frank was born in Germany and Patrizia has Italian roots. So, thank you for allowing me to do this, and would you face each other and hold each other's hand? Frank and Patrizia, you come before me today to be joined together in marriage. Marriage should be entered into with much thought for what it means to each of you, to the people in your family and friends, and in the eyes of the law. No one has shown cause why you should not be so joined. So therefore I ask, Frank, wait till I finish. Do you, Frank, take Patrizia to be your wife? And do you promise before these witnesses to be your true and faithful husband, to love and care for her before all others, through good times and bad, in sickness as in health, and to be patient, kind, and forgiving with her from this day forward? If so, answer, I do.
I do.
Do you, Patrizia, take Frank to be your husband? And do you promise before these witnesses to be his true and faithful wife, to love and care for him before all others, through good times and bad, in sickness as in health, and to be patient, kind, and forgiving with him from this day forward? If so, answer, I do.
I do.
Do you have the rings? All right, I'd ask you to exchange the rings. The parties have exchanged rings, and as each of you has promised to be faithful and true to one another before these witnesses, hundreds of them, and have sealed this promise by giving and receiving a ring. Now, therefore, by the authority vested in me by the state of Michigan, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Thank you.
I present Frank Klaus Metz and Patrizia Ferrantini as husband and wife. We're now going to close out this very brief ceremony. This is how mostly court ceremonies go. And then we're going to execute the marriage license, and you'll be husband and wife. Thank you for sharing this. The comments all are greatly sending you hearts and kisses and congratulations. And even a mazel tov. And so thank you. We're going to end the live stream, and we're going to execute these marriage licenses, and we will close out the record. Thank you for sharing this with us.
Thank you.
All right, we'll be in recess. Let me
All right, recess.
end the live stream.
I don't recess.
All right, now you guys have got some work to do.
Yeah.
We'll go over and sit down, and you two witnesses sit down over here.
Oh.
Protect the man's in, or we're just.
What?
Is it all right if I stand?
No.
Okay, all right.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Feels a little weird sitting on the side.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
I don't like it at all. Yeah, this is the prosecutor's side.
No contact, I'll plead the fifth. Nope,
You can't sit.
You can't say just.
You have to like turn sideways and then.
Yeah, I know it's a skill that's developed over years. I'll just use this here.
All right, we're gonna have to